Why do you feel unstoppable one moment and completely stuck the next? Think about a morning you woke up ready to crush your day, determined to tackle your to-do list, make real progress, and by mid-afternoon, nothing's checked off. You feel stressed, overwhelmed, or you're just scrolling. Sound familiar? You've done everything right, but somehow your day slips away. Why does this happen? It's not laziness, weak discipline, or low motivation. It's your subconscious mind sabotaging your progress. Ask yourself, could this be true for me? Most people assume the problem is lack of willpower or motivation. That seems reasonable, but it's wrong. Your brain is wired to return to its default state under stress. Every burst of motivation, confidence, or clarity requires energy. Without maintenance, your subconscious resets you to what feels familiar. That default state is what people loosely call mindset, but more accurately, it's your emotional and decision-making baseline. This isn't manifestation or positive thinking. It's financial psychology and subconscious conditioning. That's why good habits fall apart. Money mindset work feels temporary. You keep starting over. You were never broken. You were unmaintained. And once you understand that, the solution becomes unavoidable. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to show you a system most content skips. Mindset doesn't fail because you're weak. It fails because maintenance is missing. 3 daily habits, just minutes per day, are all you need to stop self-sabotage and lock in a stable abundance mindset. Stay with me. At the end, I'll share a free tool that makes it effortless. Habit 1, morning protection. Most people wake up and hand their mind to stress, notifications, or endless tasks. Their mindset is already hijacked before the day begins. The first few minutes after waking determine your entire day. Do nothing intentional, and your subconscious defaults to old scarcity patterns, undermining your progress. No matter how motivated you feel, without a simple morning routine, focus and abundance fade fast. Action steps, 30-day lock. Bookmark this video or audio. Say aloud with full intention, I commit to 30 days of abundance. Miss a day, and your old scarcity mindset regains control. Baseline reset breath. Stop. Now, relax your shoulders and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Inhale calm. Inhale control. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. Exhale tension. Exhale stress. Again, breathe in slowly. Inhale abundance. Breathe out slowly. Exhale fear. One more time. Deep breath in. Inhale confidence. Slow breath out. Exhale doubt. Final breath. Even slower. Inhale focus and release. Exhale distraction. Subconscious command. Repeat the following with certainty. Today I prioritize focus, clarity, and abundance. Repeat 3 times. This tells your subconscious what matters. Future thanks. Write 3 things you're grateful for, as if they already exist. Repeat the following with certainty. I am grateful for this abundance already in my life. This trains your mind to expect more, not less. Completing this habit stops your day from being hijacked. You're now actively in control. Habit 2, midday calibration. Most people lose progress mid-afternoon without noticing. One stressor can undo all morning gains. What if you could stop your old scarcity mindset midday in just seconds? Action steps, scarcity interrupt. As soon as you feel doubt, stress, or financial worry, say aloud, stop, I am in control. This state is temporary. Skipping this lets your subconscious revert to fear. Wealth recognition. Spot 5 signs of abundance around you. Could be a full cup of coffee, a working computer, a helpful friend, access to tools, or a supportive coworker. Say each aloud. Your brain believes what it notices. Seeing abundance trains your mind to expect more, not less. This habit rewires your subconscious to notice opportunities automatically. Generosity signal. Do one small act of giving. Hold a door, tip extra. Send a kind message or help a friend. Say aloud with intention, I am abundant. I have enough to share. Giving signals your subconscious that resources are safe and abundant. This strengthens your abundance mindset and keeps your wealth frequency strong. Habit 3, nighttime seal. Your subconscious works while you sleep. Left unchecked, fear and stress can undo your daily wins. What if you could lock in abundance overnight? Action steps, emotional visualization. 3 minutes before sleep, focus on your ideal day tomorrow. Repeat with intention. I feel calm, confident, abundant. Again, I feel calm, confident, abundant. Again, I feel calm, confident, abundant. Skipping miss lets old patterns creep back. Authority check-in. If reviewing finances or progress, say, I am in control. Fear reverses momentum. Calm reinforces it. Final command. The last thought before sleep. My subconscious works all night, reinforcing financial stability and success. This locks in abundance while you rest. By completing this habit, you wake up aligned with abundance, ready to repeat the cycle successfully. Follow these 3 habits daily. In 30 days, stress decreases, focus increases, and abundance becomes automatic. The full subconscious audio tools are free in the description. Subscribe for clear guidance on money mindset, self-sabotage, and abundance. No hype, just clarity that sticks.